Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade V40s, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon in the right corner, and here we have to tap on the camera icon, almost at the middle. And as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can simply choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it and find the photo you'd like to use and tap on got it. And as you can see, from this step we can change the size of this highlighted square. We can change the position of the photo also. We can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So just position it like you want to. You can rotate the picture, and if you are happy with the results, just tap on save copy. As you can see, it will be immediately applied here. So let's tap on save in the right upper corner, and here we've got our photo applied. You will be able to see it, for example, on the contact list, or for example using whilst the incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.